Alright, what's going on? So this is a video in response to my own video, which I made back in January, where we got Cliff with the big red ute here. We drained the oil out of the sump and we replaced it with nothing but diesel, and we ran it for 5 minutes to flush out the engine and get rid of any carbon and just clean the whole thing out. Now, I done the diesel flush 3 odd times, but go back and watch the video if you want to see that, if you haven't already. Now, was I ready for the response that video got? No, I wasn't. That video's got over 30,000 views, almost 200 comments, 250 something thumbs up, and about 60 to 70 thumbs down. Now, I'll just read a couple of those comments for you if you haven't gone there and read them yourself. Viraj says, "This fucking idiot is a disgrace to all of humanity. Fuck, he is going to wreck that damn piece of shit. What a fucking moron." Well, thank you, Viraj from Sri Lanka. That is a valid piece of cyberbullying there, mate. Fucking tops, brother. We've also got, do all guys in Australia wear super short shorts? I'm actually from New Zealand, mate, and we wear these shorts so when we're running from the cops we can jump fences quicker. Another comment, just fucked your bearings, mate. Well, this ute is almost 10,000 k's past that January diesel flush, 6,000 miles, it's due for another oil change and it's still running as strong as ever, so I really doubt I've fucked any bearings in there. Then there's the other side of it. I do have a few people giving me good comments and thumbs up and wondering what all the hate's about. From a professional mechanic, his engine is fine. Diesel is a type of oil, low viscosity for sure, but for short term running, no issue, old trick, that's been done for years. So this engine is still running fine. Like I said, it's done 10,000 k's since then and it certainly hasn't died on me yet. It's a daily vehicle, I drive it daily, I thrash it daily, I skid it every other day. I don't video half the skids I do to put on the channel because it's just a, you know, hey, there's a bit of rain on the ground. So if this engine does die, I can tell you, I can assure you, it's not going to be because of flushing the engine with diesel. It's going to be because it's a plus T motor, it's a non-turbo head, non-turbo block, running 25 psi a boost, almost 1200 degree EGTs, and that's daily. It's pumping out black smoke, it's throwing the boost through it, and it's been doing that for about 3 years. Now I know there is a bit of blow-by, and that's probably because there's so much boost going through it and it gets a hard life, but if it dies, we'll buy another non-turbo motor and whack it in there and re-turbo that one. So this weekend is a 4-day weekend, and if you follow the channel you know that we done the demolition derby in a Mitsubishi Cordia, and then in the next video we managed to get the Cordia restarted, welded the steering rod back up and got it running again. Now what I'm going to do with this 4-day weekend is I'm going to drain all the oil out of that Cordia and I'm going to put 5 litres of diesel in the sump of that, and we're going to let it run and run, and we're going to rev it and we'll just see how long it lasts. If it does scour the crank, if it does throw a big end, we'll see what happens, because I've got over 200 comments saying that it's going to fuck it. So we'll put it to the test this weekend. So if you're here for the first time, smash subscribe and go watch that video because it'll be up after Easter. Maybe it is fucked.